Good day, traders. This is Liam from Sureshotfx. Today I've got another forecast about USDCAD for the upcoming week. But before we look ahead, let's quickly talk about what happened last week with USDCAD. We'll discuss how the market moved and where it might go next. So, starting with the current market structure on hourly timeframe, we can clearly notice that last week market impulsively went upwards and mitigated this supply zone. Afterward, market again continued its bearish momentum. As we can see that market has already broke structure, we're expecting a pullback to mitigate either of these untapped zones and also to induce traders to the upside. There are multiple unmitigated zones from which market may give us a reaction. Now, if we hide our drawings and go to higher time frame like daily, what can we notice? We can see that market impulse is strongly bullish, but currently, it's reacting from this demand zone. And if we go to 4-hour time frame, recent market structure is bearish, which is most likely to target these fresh demand zones or even go deeper. Going back to our H1 analysis, what are we expecting from USDCAD this week? As this is Monday, we're expecting a false inducement as a pullback to trap traders and mitigate all of these supply zones, switch internal bearish structure to continue its bearish run once again. We also have to keep in mind that market may not give us a deeper pullback and continue to go down, mitigating the zones that caused the break of structure. Let's see how the market unfolds this week for us. Let's summarize the forecast for you once again. USDCAD bias is potentially bearish this week and we're expecting a pullback before the continuation from these supply zones. That's all for our USDCAD forecast for the week. Make sure to subscribe to Sureshotfx for more helpful information about forex. I wish you all successful trades. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in our next video.